Imagine opening stock app and instantly feeling completely lost and overwhelmed today. Have you ever wondered how people actually buy stocks confidently without stress? Most beginners think stock market is only for experts and professionals only. What if I told you it could feel simple instead overwhelming today? Stay with me because this journey will change your investing mindset forever. You might be one decision away from financial confidence and freedom real. Many people avoid stocks simply because they feel too overwhelmed initially totally. But what if that fear is actually based on misunderstanding the process? Today, you will see investing is more approachable than you imagine really. Let's uncover how ordinary people start investing without feeling stressed at all today. The stock market often appears complicated, but it does not have to be. Imagine finally understanding stocks without confusion or fear holding you back anymore today. This video will guide you step by step through simple investing mindset. No complicated jargon, just clear ideas anyone can understand easily today without stress. You are about to discover a calmer way to invest money successfully now. Let's remove confusion and make stock investing feel human and simple today, finally. Before we start, remember everyone was once a complete beginner too, including investors. Even experienced investors once felt exactly the same, overwhelming confusion at start. Now picture yourself confidently making your first stock purchase today without fear. That transformation is exactly what we will explore together here step by step. Take a moment and think about your current investing knowledge level honestly today. Do stocks feel confusing or surprisingly simple once explained properly to you? Most fear comes from not knowing where to start at all initially today, but every expert was once stuck exactly where you are now, right here. Understanding stocks begins with breaking fear into manageable, simple steps today, slowly. Let's explore how beginners turn confusion into clarity and confident stepwise approach. This journey is about building confidence without rushing the process at all. Every great investor started with questions exactly like yours today, right now. Let's remove complexity and make investing feel approachable for everyone truly today, and you will soon realize stocks are not as intimidating anymore at all. Think of investing like learning a new skill, step by step, carefully today. No one becomes confident in stocks without starting somewhere small first ever. Let's guide you from uncertainty toward clarity and strong decision making today fully. Imagine checking stocks without stress, confusion, or anxiety holding you back anymore. That is the exact outcome we are working toward together right now. You might be closer to understanding stocks than you realize honestly today. Let's walk through this journey together step by step today, carefully now. Everything will start making sense once we break it down clearly here. Stock investing becomes easy when explained in simple human terms today. Finally, let go of fear because understanding is closer than you think right now. Many beginners delay investing because they feel completely unprepared today, right now. But preparation often comes from action, not endless waiting and research alone today. You will learn how simple investing can actually become very quickly. Indeed, today, let's transform confusion into clarity through a simple guided approach, step by step. Understanding stocks is a skill, not an impossible financial mystery at all. Today, we begin simplifying everything you thought was too complicated before now. By the end, you will feel confident taking your first step today easily. Let's focus on clarity so you never feel overwhelmed again at all. Investing becomes easier when broken into small, understandable pieces for beginners today. You do not need advanced knowledge to start investing successfully right away. Let's build your confidence step by step from this moment forward today. Stocks are simply tools for growing wealth over long term eventually today. Once you understand basics, everything else becomes much easier than before now. This is your starting point towards stress-free investing life today here. No more confusion, only clarity and confident financial decisions ahead from now. You are now entering a simpler way to understand investing clearly today. Let's remove fear and replace it with knowledge and confidence step by step. Everything you need will be explained in the simplest way possible today. By now, you should feel ready to begin learning stocks confidently today. Let's continue forward and unlock your investing confidence together right now today. We continue journey into simple stock investing without overwhelming confusion today now. Many beginners struggle when first looking at stock market platforms online today. They see charts, numbers, and feel instantly lost and confused overall completely. But confusion disappears once you understand basic structure of stock investing system. Think of stocks like owning tiny pieces of real-world companies today. When company grows, your small ownership value also grows over time, gradually. This simple idea is foundation of all stock market investing strategies work today. Most people overthink stocks instead of starting with small steps first today. You do not need to predict market perfectly to start investing journey. Even experts make mistakes and still succeed in long-run markets over time. Stock investing becomes easier when you learn basic core principles step by step. One key principle is patience during market ups and downs always matters most. Another principle is diversification. Spreading money across different companies reduces risk significantly today. Beginners often fear losing money more than learning process, but their fear blocks progress. Real investing success comes from consistency, not emotional decisions during market changes. Think long term instead of chasing quick market profits for stable growth. Imagine investing small amounts regularly without feeling any stress over time builds wealth. This habit is more powerful than trying to time market perfectly every time. Timing market perfectly is nearly impossible even for professionals most of time. Instead, focus on steady investing habits that build confidence over a long period. Every investor starts with zero experience and learns gradually through real practice. You are not behind anyone in learning stocks today. Starting point is fine. Markets reward patience, discipline, and consistent decision making over time, not emotions only. Understanding risk helps you feel calmer when investing money in stock market. Risk is part of every investment decision you make. Accepting it reduces fear. Start small to reduce emotional pressure when investing. Initially, very important step. Small investments help you learn without large financial stress at beginning stage. Think of first investment as learning experience, not pressure for profit only. Many people delay investing, waiting for perfect market timing, which never comes. Action creates learning, while waiting only increases fear levels over a long time. Start understanding basics before focusing on advanced stock strategies for better clarity. Learn what stocks represent before buying your first share in real markets. A stock represents ownership in a real functioning business company that earns profit. When company grows, shareholders benefit from increased stock value over long term. This connection makes investing powerful wealth building tool for many people worldwide. Understanding this reduces fear of entering stock markets for new investors today. Fear usually comes from lack of clear understanding about how markets work. Education replaces fear with confidence and better decisions in investing journey. Overall, confidence grows when you take small informed actions consistently over time today. Every expert once started exactly where you are right now today too. Investing success is journey, not overnight achievement process with steady growth focus. Patience separates successful investors from emotional beginners in markets every single time. Simple strategy often beats complicated investing approaches in reality over long run. You do not need many stocks to begin your investing journey today. Even one or two stocks are enough initially for learning purposes only. Focus on the learning, not just making quick profits in early stage investing journey. Understanding companies helps you invest more confidently without unnecessary fear today, really. Always research before putting money into stocks to reduce potential risks properly. Research builds confidence and reduces emotional investing mistakes significantly over time eventually. Learning slowly is better than rushing into market without proper knowledge anyway. Your progress in investing depends on consistent learning habits over a long period. Consistency matters more than initial knowledge in stock investing, for beginners especially. Start today, even if you feel uncertain inside about investing journey ahead. Uncertainty is normal part of every beginner experience in financial markets always. You will improve with practice and real experience over consistent efforts daily. Each investment teaches lesson that improves your strategy for future decisions better. Even losses can become valuable learning opportunities in long-term growth process. Smart investors learn from both gains and losses equally over time. Always, stock market rewards those who stay disciplined through all market conditions consistently. Now let's shift perspective and see investing from a completely different angle today. Most beginners think stock market is about guessing winning companies perfectly always, but real investing is more about behavior than prediction of future outcomes. The biggest twist is that emotions matter more than information in investing. Fear and excitement often destroy more portfolios than bad stock choices do. Understanding your emotions is actually more important than picking perfect stocks initially. This changes everything about how you approach investing from this moment forward. Successful investors are not always smartest, but most emotionally stable during markets. Markets reward discipline, not panic reactions during sudden price changes daily. This insight alone can completely change your investing journey forever starting now. Imagine two investors buying same stock at same exact time today. One panics during small small drop, while others stays calm and patient throughout. After months, calm investor often wins regardless of short-term volatility swings. This shows mindset matters more than timing or luck in investing success. Stocks go up and down naturally, and that is completely normal behavior. Many beginners mistake normal fluctuations as failure and sell too early always. That emotional reaction causes most unnecessary losses in stock market investing. Learning to stay calm is a powerful skill every investor must develop gradually. You do not need to eliminate fear, only manage it properly daily. Controlling emotions leads to better long-term decisions in investing journey ahead. Another hidden truth is that simplicity beats complexity in investing strategies today. Many people overcomplicate investing with unnecessary indicators and confusing analysis tools. In reality, simple, consistent investing often performs better than complex systems. Focus on strong companies instead of chasing every market trend blindly always. Trends change quickly, but solid businesses remain stable over long periods. Usually, this stability is what creates real wealth in stock market investing journey. Beginners often ignore this and chase excitement instead of long-term value, but patience and simple strategy build stronger results over many years consistently. You do not need constant trading to succeed in stock markets today, and less action sometimes produces better results than frequent buying and selling behavior. Another key insight is that time in market matters more than timing. Many beginners wait for perfect entry point, which rarely ever comes perfectly. Meanwhile, consistent investors grow wealth simply by staying invested longer periods. Time allows investments to grow through compounding effect over many years. Compounding turns small amounts into significant wealth if given enough time. This is why starting early matters more than starting perfectly in investing. Even small investments can grow into large amounts with patience over time. The earlier you start, the easier wealth building becomes naturally over years. Waiting too long often costs more than small beginner mistakes in investing. Action is more valuable than perfection when building financial future today. Here is another surprising insight many beginners completely miss at start. You do not need to follow every financial news update daily. Constant news checking actually increases stress and emotional decision-making risks. Smart investors focus on long-term vision instead of short-term noise. Noise creates confusion, while clarity comes from long-term thinking patterns. Reducing unnecessary information helps you stay calm and focused during investing. Too much information often leads to analysis paralysis and no action. Simplicity in information consumption improves decision-making in financial markets greatly. You only need essential knowledge to make smart investing decisions today. Everything else is often distraction that increases unnecessary stress levels overall. The deeper truth is investing is more about psychology than mathematics. Your mindset determines outcomes more than charts or formulas ever will. If you stay calm during chaos, you already have huge advantage. Most investors fail, not due to lack of knowledge, but discipline. Discipline helps you stay consistent, even when markets become unpredictable suddenly. Without discipline, even best strategies fail under emotional pressure situations always. This is why learning yourself is a key part of investing success. Understanding your reactions helps you become a stronger investor over time naturally. Investing is a journey of self-control as much as financial growth. Now you see investing is simpler when mindset is properly understood deeply. Now let's bring everything together into simple, actionable investing clarity. Today, finally, you have learned mindset shifts and basics of stock investing journey clearly. The biggest takeaway is investing does not need to feel overwhelming anymore. Simplicity and patience are your strongest tools in stock market success today. Start small and focus on learning rather than chasing fast profits always. Every investor builds confidence through consistent action and real experience over time. Do not wait for perfect moment because it rarely ever comes perfectly. Begin your investing journey today with small and simple steps forward now. Your financial future depends on actions you take starting today, right now. Remember, investing is a journey of patience, learning, and discipline always matters. Even small, consistent investments can grow significantly over long-term periods over time. Focus on building habits instead of trying to predict markets perfectly today. Stock investing becomes easier when you remove unnecessary emotional pressure completely now. Stay patient during market ups and downs without making making panic decisions always. Consistency in investing is more powerful than timing every trade. Daily actions. Your mindset determines success more than stock picking skills alone. Ultimately here, do not compare your beginning with someone else's investing journey today now. Every expert once started with zero knowledge and simple curiosity, just like you. Learning slowly is better than rushing into risky investments early too fast. Avoid emotional decisions when market prices suddenly move up or down quickly. Take time to understand companies before investing your hard-earned money carefully. Knowledge reduces fear and helps you make better financial choices always today. Investing is not gambling, but informed decision-making process based on research. Start with small amounts to reduce pressure and emotional stress today first. Long-term thinking always beats short-term emotional reactions in investing markets. Stock market rewards patience, discipline, and consistent behavior over time, eventually always. Avoid checking prices too frequently to maintain mental peace and clarity daily. Investing success comes from discipline, not from random guesses or luck alone. Do not let fear stop you from starting your investment journey today. Aim so. Action is always better than endless planning without execution in real life. Your first investment is about learning, not about perfection at all today. Confidence grows with every step you take in market journey forward daily. Mistakes are part of learning process. In investing world always happens naturally. Stay focused on long-term goals instead of short gains, quick profits. Smart investors keep things simple and avoid overcomplicating strategies unnecessarily always today. And you do not need large capital to begin investing successfully now. Small, consistent investments can build significant wealth over time with patience always. Patience is the most powerful tool in stock investing journey ahead today. Do not fear market drops because they are temporary in nature always. Stay committed even when results take longer than expected sometimes in investing journey. Investing rewards those who stay consistent during uncertainty market conditions always periods. Your discipline will decide your long-term financial success eventually in life. Do not rush decisions because patience creates better outcomes over time always. Learning investing is a gradual process that builds confidence slowly but surely. Avoid emotional buying and selling during volatile market periods, instability moments today. Simple strategies often outperform complex trading systems in reality long-term view. Oh, invest only what you can afford to hold long-term patiently. Always, your investing journey improves with every small step taken forward daily consistently. Start today, even if you feel uncertain about investing initially, always now. Every moment you delay investing is a missed opportunity for growth today. Keep learning and improving your financial knowledge continuously over time, always daily. Avoid comparing your results with experienced investors online every day. Focus instead. Focus on your personal growth and consistent improvement only over time, always. Successful investing is built on patience, discipline, and learning every single day. Let go of fear and start building your financial future confidently today. You already have everything needed to begin investing journey right now successfully. The best time to start investing is always now without delay today. Take your first step today and learn through experience personally always now. Build wealth slowly through smart, consistent investing habits over time. Daily actions now. Start your investing journey confidently and transform your financial life today. Now that you understand mindset, let's focus on practical first investing steps today. Many beginners get stuck because they do not know where to begin exactly. The truth is starting is much simpler than most people actually believe today. You only need a few basic steps to enter stock market confidently now. First step is choosing a reliable and simple investment platform for yourself. Keep platforms simple so you avoid unnecessary confusion and technical complexity issues. Next step is learning how to open and fund your investment account properly. This process is usually straightforward and takes only a short time today. Once account is ready, you are officially ready to start investing journey. That moment feels small, but it is actually very powerful step forward. Now let's talk about choosing your first stock carefully and wisely today. Do not rush into random stock purchases without basic understanding of company. Look for companies you already know from daily life and experience around. Familiar companies are easier to understand and reduce beginner confusion greatly always. Understanding business model helps you feel more confident in investment decision making. Start with companies that have stable reputation information and long-term performance history. Avoid overly complex or unknown businesses during your early investing learning stage. Simplicity in selection reduces emotional pressure and improves decision clarity significantly today. Your goal is learning, not chasing quick, unrealistic profits in beginning stage. Smart beginners focus on understanding before investing large amounts of money anywhere. Another important step is deciding how much money to invest initially carefully. Never invest money you might need for daily expenses or emergency situation. And start with small amount that feels comfortable and stress-free for you. Small investments allow learning without emotional pressure or financial fear involved today. Gradually increase your investment size as your confidence and knowledge improve naturally. This gradual approach helps you avoid mistakes that beginners often make early. Financial comfort is more important than trying to grow money too quickly. Patience in investing amount leads to better long-term financial stability. Always remember, investing should not disturb your basic life or daily responsibilities ever. Balance between life needs and investing goals is extremely important always today. Next important step is learning how to buy your first stock properly. Buying stock simply means selecting company and placing orders through your platform. Most platforms guide you step by step, making process very simple today. Do not feel intimidated by buttons or charts on trading application screens. Everything becomes easy once you try it once in real experience situation. First attempt may feel confusing, but becomes easier very quickly afterward always. Learning by doing is fastest way to understand stock market operations clearly. Take your time and avoid rushing through your first investment process today. Double check everything before confirming your first stock purchase carefully. Always now, small careful actions build strong confidence in investing journey over time slowly. After buying first stock, do not check price repeatedly every single minute. Constant checking increases stress and removes peace from investing experience completely today. Instead, focus on understanding company performance over longer periods of time. Investing success comes from patience rather than daily emotional reactions. Always true. Try to stay calm even when market prices move unpredictably. Sometimes always. Short-term fluctuations are a normal part of stock market behavior daily movement. Your focus should always remain on long-term growth and stability goals. Avoid reacting emotionally to every small change in stock prices daily movements. Discipline and observation leads to better investing mindset over long period always. Calm investors make better decisions than emotional reactive investors in markets today. Now you should understand first steps of investing much more clearly today. Starting small and simple removes overwhelming feeling from entire investing process journey. Every step you take builds your confidence and knowledge gradually over time. Investing becomes easier when you follow structured, simple approach consistently always now. Avoid unnecessary complexity and stick to basic proven methods in beginning stage. Focus on learning how system works rather than rushing for profits quickly. Patience and practice will make you stronger investor over a long journey ahead. Each action you take improves your understanding of financial markets significantly always. Keep things simple and stay consistent with your investing approach daily routine. Now you are ready to continue growing your investing confidence step by step.